You're really watching that? It's disgusting for me.
You're the fastest man alive.
Also in bed? That was easy, come on.
Coumpound V, what you put it?
It's something?
You ran through a girl, baby. This is not what I would call control. That's just a slippery slope. Oh, I need it.
I need it? Is it a drug or something like that?
I gotta go. Won't you just tell me where the V is, please? Are you kidding me? I have been getting my hair done, threading my eyebrows, waxing my body like a plucked chicken. I mean, it was all cleared with steel ball and everything.
Not so clear.
Where's the V?
That's a drug, I think.
Sounds like some kind of performance enhancer.
Yes.
Same way for soups.
Okay. But what did you see in our apartment?
Freak out, baby. Can you work it out?
I like it run some tests, of course. But there's no way of knowing unless I try some myself. Amazing idea.
You want to try it?
First,
So he has powers also.
translucent, huh? What the fuck did you pull that off?
He pop, switched.
Just right in that moment, it felt kind of good.
Oi, oi, oi.
I can tell. Because I know how this job makes me feel.
I think I felt alive.
But that rush, Huey, it's no different than the shit A-Train shoots up.
Yes.
Everything comes with a price.
No, 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 no. Oh, his eyes, did you see that? He's switching and I'm not sure that it's a good thing. Like Nick was saying that it's okay, but not a fan of that idea. Okay with what he did, that you are supporting him for doing it again, maybe?
Alright, Jen. You got this?
I'm not gonna judge that. I know that for some persons who are doing sports, it can be irritating when you are doing the sport and all of that. Stop. Oh no! You took the outfit.
Am I right?
He's stealing the light from her each time. She doesn't like him. Oh, he smiled! His fucking scary smile. I'm...
Save your money. I like that one much better.
Let me have a breakout.
You were together? No. I'm not sure I'm liking her, but please, you can do better than him.
No. Different. Better.
Okay.
See? He has even a protection for this. His nipples. You recognized her?
Annie? Annie? Annie, hi. You're Starlight. How did I not realize that?
It's actually kind of comforting that you didn't. Once you're behind the scenes, it's different.
Like how?
I don't know if they really want you to be a hero. I think they just want you to look like one.
The other day, on the bench, when you were talking about how much you hated your job, you meant this job. Just quit. Just walk away. I mean, you got nothing to prove. I know you're you and everything, but if you ever just wanted to, get...
Would you like my number?
Nah. Oh, he just wants to take it.
We'll go eyes on that track. He's totally jacked.
Yes.
Show up.
That's what you saw. You see him he sees you, but he did that on purpose, and you are recognizing each other. There is an history between them. Can it be possible that he is the one who left? I'm still wondering that. Whoa! You waited all of that time and all of that for just that moment, that little moment? Did you recognize him or you just saw him?
You get a number? Yeah. Got it. Good.
Oh, you're gonna want to use it. To use a...
Hey man, Pop Claw's eyeballing a bottle of V like it's made of Snickers.
What if someone who doesn't have powers is taking that thing? Okay, you're going for it.
She's waiting for an hour.
Ah!
Rent you sent you would pay.
You should come in. Like what you see.
Huh? No. Yes.
There is a world where we could come. I am gonna sit right here until the cops come.
I'm not gonna show that scene on YouTube. You're killing him. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hold on. Hang on. That's too fast.
Oh. That's so gross. Yes, you just killed him. She doesn't care. Just she didn't notice. Yes, you just did that.
She would have called your fucking head off. Now we come and run where we want.
You're gonna blackmail her?
Whatever the price you'll pay. Right? Whether or not we saw out this little mess. Then all you gotta do is tell us everything you know about this.
Jesus Christ. Is that translucent?
Yes.
You kind of a maniac.
I'm a maniac. Smart, actually. So they were just buying time.
Why do you say that?
I'm so glad you asked. Whoever it was, he just declared war.
Okay. Another great episode, but I think that this one was slower than the two first ones, you know? I don't know why I have this impression, but I find it slower. So we know now that the Coumpound V is not a project, it's not something like that, it's a drug, it's steroids for superheroes, but I'm still interested by what is happening if you are giving that to someone who doesn't have powers, you know? Is he gonna have powers suddenly or not? Or maybe he's gonna die? And maybe it's really just for superheroes? Who created it? And are they all taking it? And that's why maybe it can explain why some of them are going crazy, like, no, Homelander is creepy, he's crazy on his own. I don't think that it's because of the Coumpound V that is like that. So yes, now we know what the Coumpound V is. Now we know that Yui is feeling disturbed by what he just did during the second episode, killing someone like that, and he wanted to stop that woman at the end, so he was not ready to kill again or to let someone being killed in front of him. So he crossed that line during the second episode, but he's also not sure that he's okay with all of that. He's surprised by the fact that he felt happy or maybe just excited about killing someone during the second episode. Again, his evolution can be really interesting during this season because he really began as a normal guy, a normal dude who was just living his life, and because he was hurt by something that did a superhero, he's now into that, you know, with Butcher and Frenchie and Milk. He's involved in that and he chose to kill translucent during the second episode. So now what is gonna happen to him, his evolution is gonna be interesting. Starlight, I said also that I wanted to see the evolution of Starlight because her evolution can be also really interesting, because she was also like Yuri pure at the beginning, but she's the one with powers, you know, and she's the one now involved not in the group against the superheroes, but in the group with the superheroes, even if she's not accepting all of what is happening. But with that thing about her outfit, you know, we can see that she's forced to obey to the rules of this world. Even if she doesn't like them, she is accepting them. She is accepting to change her outfit, even if at the end she's leaving the place for some time, she's gonna come back with the same outfit, you know. Her evolution is gonna be interesting also because it's gonna be about how far is she gonna accept the rules of this world, of what is going on the 7, what this manager is forcing her to do. There is a lot of background, you know. There are a lot of things that they are not explaining to us yet about the Mallory thing, files thing. Really, we can see that there was an event, someone named Mallory was into that. This person, this Mallory, is dead, and Frenchie was involved into that also. He did something wrong, maybe he betrayed them, I mean Butcher and Milk, and that's why Mallory died. There is something. Right now there is something. Now we know what is a Coumpound V. There is also the 82. I mean, we can imagine what it is, the 82 group who is having the powers of Vault. Yes, we can really imagine what it is, but it's not really explained, so I'm waiting for that moment also when they're gonna explain what it is. See, I said during my intro that I was more interested by this world and the rules in this world than with really the storylines. And during this episode, they left a little the description of this world, of the rules of this world and all of that, to really move on with the storylines, to give us things about the main storyline about this season, about the Coumpound V, with all of that about the girlfriend, A-Train, taking drugs for that race, the girl taking the drug, her killing someone, you know, it was all about that, this episode, and it was really all about that storyline, about moving on that storyline. It was not like during the 2 first episodes, like we didn't have a lot of scenes with them just acting, and also by the same way telling us what are the rules in this world and all of that. I'm really like, for me, Milk, Butcher and Frenchie, they have also powers. Like, just their names, just with their names, I can think that they have also powers, but also because they have an history together, and Frenchie said that he wanted to test that thing, the Coumpound V, so he has powers. Oh, and that scene, it was really interesting, that scene with Butcher watching, I was gonna say Captain America, no, Homelander like that. Him watching Homelander like that, Homelander saw it, but I'm still wondering if Homelander recognized Butcher, if they met before or not. I'm still wondering that. Please don't tell me in the comments. No spoilers in the comments. You know my rules with the spoilers. Please don't tell me spoilers about this show, about the next episodes in the comments. I'm just telling you that with that scene, I saw that Butcher did that on purpose for showing Homelander that he is there. Homelander saw it, but I'm not sure that Homelander recognized him because they met before. For me, they met before. Translucent didn't know Butcher, but it means nothing. Maybe they just didn't meet because Translucent came after that. I'm really questioning myself about Milk, Butcher and Frenchie having powers, And if they have powers, that's why maybe Homelander knows Butcher. But maybe they didn't know each other, and maybe also they didn't have powers. But yes, for me they have powers. Like their names, it's nicknames, you know? I don't know. I'm wondering that because of that scene between Butcher and Homelander, because I don't know if they met before or not, and also because of what Franchi said about testing the drug himself. We'll see. We'll see. Did I say Yui correctly during this episode or not? I really tried to not practice my way of saying Yui during this episode, but please tell me if I'm saying it correctly or not now. Yui is doing something. Did I say it correctly into that sentence? Tell me. Okay, so that was an interesting episode. It was slower for me, but I don't know why I have this impression, because like I said, it was really an episode about the main storyline about this season, about giving us a lot of information about the Coumpound V and really moving on into that storyline, so I shouldn't feel like that. I don't know. And we are almost at the half of the season, but it's long episodes. But you know what? I would prefer a longer season with shorter episodes, I mean like 40 minutes episode than that, because maybe you are not feeling it, but me editing the videos, I can tell you that there are a lot of scenes with really moments like someone is telling something 4 or 5 seconds and the other one is responding to that person. And it's not made on purpose. I mean, it's not made for having a long moment, a silent moment, because it's the mood of the scene and all of that. No. It's not made for that. They are really like forcing them, I don't know how to explain that, but they are really like forcing to have long scenes, even if the action is really short and what they are saying is really short, and it's not for having a quiet mood, a silent mood, a long mood and all of that like we can have in shows like Mr. Robot, you know, it's the mood of the show in Mr. Robot. But right there it's not like that, and they are still doing things like that. For me, some moments it's not logical that we have long moments like that, because it didn't fit with the action, with the scenes, and maybe sometimes it was just for having long episodes, and that's not a good thing in general when you are forcing your episodes to be long. Okay, stop talking. It's all for The Boys episode 3, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.